Welcome to a brief introduction to the Whatzon App. Our logo is easily identifiable on the phone screen. It is the white square with the light blue location pin with a question mark. Tap on that, you'll be presented with a splash screen. What's on? Discover what's around you. This is your home screen. You'll be presented with, starting from the top left, what's on in, uses geofencing technology. In this particular case, I'm in Mildura, northwest Victoria. If I was in Sydney, it will come up what's on in Sydney and would load relevant information for Sydney. In this particular case, again, I'm in Mildura, so the information that's been loaded is relevant to this area. Step down a little further through the screen is the search functionality. Two ways you can search. Click on there, you can search accommodation. You could put in a word like steak or food or clothing or shoes, and that will take you to any, that's a quick way to search. The other way is to use the two lollipops on the side. Click on those, it will take you to the subcategories. So really simple search functionality. Then you're presented with events and attractions. We'll just talk about events today because it is predominantly the application is centered around events and centered around community clubs. So you'll see there's subcategories there. Retailers, and why is that under events? Because retailers run sales events and so on. So that's in there. Free of charge for any business to load their business to the application and get access to a large customer base. Trades and services, again, just an example. Anything sport related, there you go on that one there. Accommodation's a powerful one, particular. So expensive, I should say, to load your accommodation business onto Trivago, Booking.com, amongst others, and they do take a swipe of the room tariff. I want to be really clear about this part for any accommodation businesses out there. There is no charge to load your business or your accommodation business, and there is no charge for you to put discounts on here and allow people to access those discounts. We'll go to the next subcategory, jobs and careers. Businesses, councils, community clubs can all load any of their job vacancies on there as well. Very powerful again, don't have to worry about using other platforms. Everything is contained within one location here. Local clubs, again, community clubs we're talking about there. We have put a lot of effort into this application to highlight community clubs and the benefit they offer the community. You note here there's a number of events here, or these are just example events, but they've been loaded in different locations. Because we're in Mildura, we're only interested in community clubs events in Mildura, so we'll search within the 3 kilometre radius. Example, you could go 16, but in this case we'll go 3. We'll apply there. And what that does is remove any ones that aren't relevant to this area. Then you can click on the event and so on. Again, these are just examples. Move across another one, food and dining as well. How to use, so there's some brief tutorial videos there, this being one of them. Tourism Oz, information on towns right across the country, and of course, for locals in particular, council news. I'm just going to use an example with Mildura Council. They've invested a lot into their Whatzon platform, a very, very powerful platform and website. We've included a link to that in there as well. So you click on there, keep up to date with everything happening in Sunraysia. When you click on the view external link, it will take you directly to their Whatzon Mildura webpage because they keep that up to date. Don't have to go searching for it. It's already sitting there for you when you open our application. Okay, so 5 categories down the bottom here. The Whatzon is the page that you're introduced to when the app opens. Go to communities. You can set up your communities very much like communities you can set up in Facebook. Great example here. Again, just examples. Swan Hill Golf Community. You'll see there's a number of people that have joined that. Again, just an example. You can share information, it may be about golf days, create a new event and so on. Then we move on to the texting component, and you'll see there, you can actually search users there. There's all users currently that have downloaded it. There's many, many of them. The ones you actually invite to join you in a chat, move across into the favorite users. I want to be clear on this feature as well. From a security point of view, they have to accept your invitation or you have to accept theirs before you can start communicating. Okay, we're just going to use a friend of mine there. What we talk reasonably regularly, just to give you an idea, very similar to what you would see on an iPhone or an Android, where you can text back and forth, has the functionality. Also where you can take a photo and share, take a photo out of your photo library, share documents and share your location and so on. But all contained within the one application. And finally, your own profile, which I've set up. Click on the little gear at the top. Profile settings, you can change the photo, or if you're brand new to the app, you can load a photo, put your details in there. You're not obligated to do that, because certainly, and if you are uncomfortable putting your own picture in there, it may simply be a picture of a family pet or something else that's relevant for you. The reason we set that up is because once we have, you'll see it's got events, businesses, my deals, and my clubs. Now, how do they migrate into your profile? I'm going to briefly show you that and we'll finish this video up. So in this particular case, we're looking at the events there. We're going to click on this event. It's actually hosted by, so this is hosted by a local club, in this particular case, Mildura Working Man's Club. We'll click on that. If I save the business profile, top right here, there's a little purple ribbon. Click on that, it's now unsaved. Now that will remove that out of my profile. Click on it again, and that will save it into my profile. Go to events. If there's a particular event that you don't want to miss, we'll use this one for example. If I save this event, highlight it again, that will save it directly into my profile. So in closing out this instructional video, I'll just quickly take you in there and show you how easy it is. Again, to your landing page, go to me, go to my clubs, and you'll note there it is, the Mildura Working Man's Club. It's in there because I saved it. I can click on there, and of course, if it's my favorite club, I've got access to their events and deals and posts. That's a brief introduction, folks, to the Whatzon app. We encourage you to get your friends, your family to download it. Talk to your local businesses if they want to get access to a larger audience. Remind them again, it is free of charge to do that. We are an Australian startup, Northwest Victoria, 3 individuals, and we'd love you to get on board and encourage your friends and family to do the same. Thanks again. Have a wonderful afternoon, and we'll see you in some other videos.